Drawbridge. My goal was to design a drawbridge. For those who don't know what is a drawbridge, a drawbridge is a bridge that opens itself so it can let the boats get in and out. The build. I used 4 LEDs, 2 motors. I counted there was like 11 pieces, but there was a problem, so we have 12 pieces of cardboard. And I have cables, but I'm too lazy to count it because it's too much. Never underestimate it, it's over there. This is my program that has DPI and everything. I couldn't get it everything in because it's too large. And my tests were probably mostly successful. So here's the prototype right here.
You can just leave it there. It's fine. We can see. Yeah.
Okay.
Hi. Can you explain to us what's going on with the bridge?
So as you can see, there's 2 parts of the bridge here. Right now it's gonna open, and then it's gonna turn the green lights on, and the back you cannot see it.
Mm-hmm.
And then when it closes, it gets into red lights. Well, probably it's not displaying now.
Okay.
So that's everything.
Okay. Any questions?
What was the hardest part about the project?
Alrighty, the hardest part of the project was probably the wiring, to wire back the stuff. That's just the most annoying thing.
What was the easiest part of the project?
Well, the easiest part was to just plan and put cardboard and cut it on a special laser.
Can you tell us how you cut this cardboard? Did you just use scissors?
I did cut the holes with scissors, and for the motor and the sticks that I glued it to. I also used a special laser that like cuts with heat, and I had to like press the air when a fire appears.
You designed you designed all those pieces?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Any more questions? All right, let's give a round of applause.